This is the only way to save you time, the tech way. You always felt like you were working so much that you forgot about the full rest of the day. Well, probably because you don't use the many technological advances that can save you time. Trust me if I say that the balance between work and life is now much more achievable than before. It is time you seriously consider updating yourself, both personal and professional, as there are a host of apps and software to help you safely spend time and get it all. Plus, just imagine how happy your boss will be if you complete a job in half time. Use of automation is the only way to save you time. Automation not only saves time, it also saves costs. With just a few clicks, you can pay bills, schedule meetings, market online, and more. Concepts such as social media automation and networking automation are now more than ever applied in companies. In fact, for marketers, every time a customer drops his/her cart, there are a number of convenient options such as scheduled social media and automated messages. However, there are some other simple ways to save time and improve your efficiency with automation. Save templates and messages. The idea of sending emails, both in pre-written and saved format, without thinking twice. Reminder, there are not only prompt memoranda, there are location-based memoranda, so you can ask your phone to remember that once you are there you pick up something. Scheduled emails, you can write an email, save it and schedule it later, so that it is fresh in the inbox of your onshore customer. Additionally, if you looking for an accountability partner, we are here for you. Make sure to check our website at www.sincysolutions.com and schedule a session with us for free. Take this opportunity while it lasts. We also offer free consultation on all software across all industries. Subscribe to SINCY Solutions channel and get daily updates on tech, software development, software engineering, tech tycoons, the ways of the tech tycoons, personal development done by the tech tycoons, and how to be a tech tycoon step by step. Our motto is to be prepared for the future, and we give you that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave us a comment on some of the software developers, software companies, and tech tycoons you'd like us to discuss. Visit our website at www.sincysolutions.com for software reviews and free consultation on all software. We have all software listed.